Alright, card lovers, welcome back to another episode. Today we have what is this? This is the Realm of the God, the Dragon Ball TCG game. But this is the premium display box. Inside of this has 8 sealed premium, I guess hanger packs. So we're going to crack one of these open, and then I have never opened one of these before, so I don't know what the pull rates are. But we're going to crack one open, and then we're going to see what we can get out of here. See if we can get a God Rare, see if we can get a Secret Rare or a SBR. So for those who've been wondering what's in these and what are the pull rates, well, here's the video where you guys can check it out and see if you guys want to get one for yourself. So here we go. This is the latest set, the Realm of the Gods. This is the premium display box that has 6 inside. Should have 6. Let me see. Hold on. Yeah, here we go. It has 8. I'm sorry, it has 8. So a sealed case of this has 6 of these display boxes. So 48 of these display packs. So we're gonna take them out, and we're gonna, to make the video go a little bit quicker, I'm gonna cut them open, and then I'll be right back. Okay, after we got them open, these are the promo card inside each of these premium packs. So we got 8 boxes, so 8 promo cards. It's pretty nice looking promo card, I'm not gonna lie. So we got all 8 all lined up here. So we're just gonna go one by one, and then let's see what we can get, guys. So here we go. Let's see. Alright, I'll go through these really quick. So here we go. Like I said, the steel case of these are there's 6 display box and a steel case, and then okay, so we got, this is a SR hit. Look at our hits there, and this is the common. So let's put that there. There is a display, what it was, a 6 sealed display box inside a case. Each case or each box has 8 packs, and each premium packs has 4 of these booster packs. So along with a promo card. So if you guys are looking to get one of these are what you can expect to get inside. I don't know what the pull rates are, but so that's why we're testing it out with one display box. If you want to test it out more, you get yourself a whole case and see what you get. So there we go. Our first premium pack down, and we got an SR out of it. Here's the second one, and we got a uncommon hollow. Okay. It's always fun to open Dragon Ball, so no matter what it is, it's always fun. Here we go. We have a that down there. So we're still chasing the God Rare, Secret Rare of the set. Okay, so we have, this is an SR also. We got there, and then we got the rotary foil. So let's see if we can at least pull SPR out of the set. So, love this card. I have that in the foil. But yeah, there you go. So 2 down. Go. There's a third premium pack. Very nice. The artwork on these cards are absolutely amazing. Love them. A lot better than the Pokemon and sports cards, but they're fun to the, but really hard to pull the Secret Rare and God Rare. There we go. Nothing. Yeah. Alright, last pack of the third premium pack box. See what we get. Ooh, that's a nice looking common card. And we have a SR. Very nice. Yes. Alright, on to our fourth premium pack. Getting used to how to rip these now, so a lot smoother. Very nice trunks. I think that's a trick. You do a little rip, and then you pull down really quick on that little slit that they cut in the corner. Right here, slit. There you go, and it should open the rest. See, like that, in and out. Oh, okay. We got an SPR. There we go. Our first SPR hit. Very nice. Right. Yeah. Alright. Here we go. We have 4 more. So we open up 4. We have 4 more. Alright. Let's see what we get. Right there. Ooh, that's a beautiful looking card. Uncommon. Very nice. Love that. Alright. So we have... Ooh, I like this FR. Very nice looking card. Now we have a cool looking common. So FR there. Alright. 2 more packs. Come on, secret rare. Come on, God rare. See if we pull either one of those. Probably doubt it, but you never know. Alright. And go. Nope. Oh, that's a nice looking rare. I like that. Alright, we are down to 3 more premium packs. Getting this one, uncommon and a non-hollow rare. Love this card too. Go. That's it. Go. Here's a nice card. And another. What is this? Dark King. The beer's coming. Hollow foil. There we go. Nothing. And a rare foil. There we go. Down to our last 2 premium packs. Let's see if we can get anything great out of this. Okay. So far we only pull 1 SPR. Okay. Okay, we have another SR. So we're pulling a lot of SR, but no no secret rare, no God rare. So let's see. Nope. Alright, we're down to our last 4 pack, guys. So here we go. See? Last premium pack magic, maybe? Who knows? Oops. I messed up. Nope. Nope. Alright. Here we go. Okay, that Ultra Instant Goku. The very last pack. Here we go. Oh, okay, we got an SR trunk. So it looks like we won't have a an SPR. Just 1 SPR. Oh no, wait, I'll take that back. We have something shiny back here, and we have. Ooh, that is a beautiful looking card. I love that. I'll take that. Very nice. Son Goku Ultra Mastery. Love that card. Alright, well there you go, guys. Two one display box, 6 premium packs later, and we have 2 SPR and a bunch of super rare. So I don't know what the pull rates are for the God Rare as far as the display boxes. So for mine, I got 2 SPR and a whole bunch of SR, but you guys can test your luck and see what you get. Once again, thank you guys for watching, and then I will see you guys in the next video.